2016, Module 8, Part 6. We're going to be looking at another use of conditional formatting. We're going to highlight duplicate values. So let's go ahead and go back to our data and see how that works. So we're going to do this 2 times so that you can do it once and then review. The first time, we're going to be using our employee data worksheet. So we are going to start out by highlighting the data in column A. So we're going to choose A2 and scroll down all the way down to 101. We're going to go up to conditional formatting, and we're going to highlight cells, and you want to choose the duplicate values. We can specify what we want to format them like. So we can choose one of the predefined formattings, or we can come in here and choose our own. So let's go ahead and choose a custom format. When we choose the custom format, the dialog box opens to format cells. So if I wanted to make a bold font, and then I wanted to change the fill color of the cell to standard red, can click OK, and then click OK. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. So let's say I came down here and I changed this because I want to test this rule. I want to see if it's going to work. So I'm going to type in 1102. Notice it highlighted both of my cells. If you click undo, it will change the data back. So what if I decided I don't like the way that those are formatting, but I don't want to have to redo it? So I'm going to choose conditional formatting, highlight cells, do manage rules. I don't want to create a new rule. I just want to go in and change this one. So I'm going to click the rule and then choose edit rule. So if what I want to change is the formatting, maybe I still want it to be bold, but I want to change the fill color to yellow. So now if I change this to a 2, you can see the change. When you're doing these testings, make sure you always undo that change so it goes back to the way it was. And I'm going to save the data. Now let's go over to our product data and let's do the same thing. So we're going to highlight column A, choose conditional formatting, highlight duplicate values. Set the custom format, and this time I know I preferred the yellow with the bold, so I'm going to do that the first time so we don't have to edit it again. Click OK. And 1002, and you can see that it worked. Now you notice manage rules. This one, I selected the entire column instead of just the cells that had data. And that still works for you, so you can do it either way. It depends on how the instructions tell you to do it. So if they tell you to put a conditional formatting rule on column A, you would choose the entire column. If they give you a range of cells, then that is the way you need to select it. And if you decided, you know what, I think I need to change this one because I don't want the employee data and the product data to both format the same way, so I could edit the rules, click the format button. I still want it to be bold, but I'm going to make it orange. And you can see that it changed the color. We need to change this one back to a 5. And then save our work. So that is conditional formatting, both managing the rules as well as highlighting the duplicate values.